I'll be doing my combining translations video on the parent function of the absolute value. So I'll be changing this and I'll be flipping it on the x-axis, giving it a vertical stretch of 3, a horizontal stretch by a factor of 1/2, so 2. I'll also be translating it 2 to the right and translating it up by 3. So as you can see here, I have my new equation up here, or new formula, blank here, blank graph, and blank tables. So first of all, for the parent function of -2 equals 2, -1 equals 1, 0 equals 0, 1 equals 1, 2 equals 2. Now, flipping it on the x-axis will change -2 to -2, -1 to -1, 0 will stay at 0, 1 will turn to -1, and 2 will turn to -2. Next, we'll be doing a vertical stretch by a factor of 3, so this will change the y by a factor of 3. So, we'll have -2 as the x, and the y will turn to -6. -1 will turn to -3, 0 will stay at 0, 1 will turn to -3, and 2 will turn to -6. Next, I'll be doing the horizontal stretch by a factor of 2. So this will change the x -2 to -4, the x -1 to -2, 0 will stay at 0, and then 2 and 4, and the y's will stay the same at -6, -2, or -3, 0, -3, and -6. Now, I will be adding in their translations. So, a horizontal translation 2 to the right. So the x -4 will turn to -2, -2 will turn to 0, 0 will turn to 2, 2 will turn to 4, and 4 will turn to 6. Now moving up by 3, the y -6 will turn to -3. The y that was -3 will turn to 0. The y that was 0 will turn to +3. And then back to the y that was -3 will turn to 0. The y that was -6 will turn to -3. So I've done all these, and this is the final over here. So I'll end up having an x of -2, x's of -2, 0, 2, 4, and 6. That's not right. At the end, yes it is, 4 and 6. And then the y's will be -3, 0, 3, 0, -3. So I'll now graph this. And it ends up looking like what a graph should look like for the absolute value, with straight lines. Let's add arrows. This is what the graph ends up looking like. Perfect, thank you very much.